believe you have a question you want to ask me?
Tell me about this here boat, man. Tell me about this boat.
You know,
Look at this. Hold on. Let's look at this fucking crazy boat, dude. Oh, pardon my language. Look at this beautiful boat here in the marina in Fuerteventuras in the Yucatan Peninsula in the county of Quantaru. This is a beautiful boat here in the marina, and let's see what else is here in the marina. Let's get some kind of idea where the heck we really are.
You remember me telling you about my girlfriend Jenny?
Your girlfriend Jenny?
My girlfriend Jenny?
Yeah? Tell me about your girlfriend Jenny.
Well, I dumped Jenny for Bonnie.
You dumped Jenny for Bonnie?
I jumped her for Bonnie.
Holy cow, how did she... You dumped Jenny for Bonnie. Holy cow, Jenny must have been sweet, huh?
You know, she's kind of high maintenance.
Yeah?
A little too much to take her out to dinner.
What did she look like, man?
She was hot.
She was hot?
Hot. She was flaming hot.
No kidding.
She was a rocket. Rocket.
Jenny, huh?
Jenny. And now that I'm old and wise, I'm glad I made the right decision. Bonnie, I love you. I dumped Jenny for Bonnie.